Carkeia tea, also known as Baccharis trimera, is a popular herbal tea in South America, where it's been used for its medicinal properties for centuries. This tea is made from the leaves of the Carkeia plant, which is a type of shrub that grows in many parts of the continent. It's known for its bitter taste and its ability to help with a variety of health issues. One of the main benefits of Carkeia tea is its ability to aid digestion. This tea has natural compounds that help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which can help break down food and prevent digestive issues like bloating and constipation. Carkeia tea can also help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract, making it a great remedy for those who suffer from inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. Another benefit of Carkeia tea is its ability to lower blood sugar levels. This tea contains compounds that help regulate blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity, making it a great natural remedy for those with diabetes or prediabetes. Additionally, Carkeia tea has been shown to have a positive effect on cholesterol levels, helping to lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and raise HDL, good cholesterol. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. So, how can you prepare Carkeia tea at home? It's actually quite simple. Here's what you'll need: 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried Carkeia leaves, or 2 to 3 fresh leaves, 1 cup of water, honey or lemon, optional. To prepare the tea, simply bring the water to a boil in a small pot. Once the water is boiling, add the Carkeia leaves and let them steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Strain the tea and pour it into a mug. If you'd like, you can add honey or lemon to taste. Enjoy your delicious and healthy Carkeia tea. Now let's talk about some home remedies and uses for Carkeia tea. One great use for Carkeia tea is as a natural diuretic. This tea can help reduce fluid retention in the body, making it a great remedy for bloating or edema. To use Carkeia tea as a diuretic, simply drink 1 to 2 cups per day. Carkeia tea can also be used to support liver health. This tea has natural compounds that help protect the liver from damage and promote healthy liver function. To use Carkeia tea for liver health, drink 1 to 2 cups per day. Finally, Carkeia tea can be used as a natural remedy for menstrual cramps. This tea has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and discomfort during menstruation. To use Carkeia tea for menstrual cramps, drink 1 to 2 cups per day during your menstrual cycle. In conclusion, Carkeia tea is a delicious and healthy beverage that has been used for centuries for its many health benefits. Whether you're looking to aid digestion, regulate blood sugar, or support liver health, Carkeia tea can be a great natural remedy. And with just a few simple ingredients, it's easy to prepare and enjoy at home. Thanks for listening, and we hope you enjoy your next cup of Carkeia tea.